let's head over to Canva, and we are going to be creating Opay logo. Don't worry, this Canva logo too will still create it. We are going to be creating the Opay logo, and once you open your Canva, you can just click on this logo sign here. Then the size of the flyer you want to create would pop up. Okay, so we are creating something like this. We are creating something like this. This is what we are creating. We are creating the Opay logo. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this logo. So this is what we are creating. Okay. So for reference, let's start it on a fresh page. Let's start on a fresh page. Okay. So firstly, we'll be needing a circle. Elements. Just click on elements, and these shapes, you search for circle. Then you pick any circle of your choice. Now, I'm going with this circle. So I would love to reduce the size. So we are creating Opay logo. Okay, this size is too small, so I'll be increasing the size. Alright, now we are going to be changing the color of this circle. To change the color of the circle, you click on color. Then the color we'll be using, I have the color code, so just click on this plus sign and type in the color code. Type in the color code. The color code is 2 4 C F A, I think O, A O. Okay, alright. So this is the color code. This is the color code we are going to use. So that's the color code. Now we'll be duplicating this one. Copy. So I copied it, and okay, let me make this one kind of bigger. Alright, so this one that I copied, I'll be changing the color to white. So let's, before I continue, let's see how far we've gone. Okay, we are still on track. So I'll reduce the size of this one to fit in the middle. We are still on track, and we are still on track. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to take a shape again. Go to elements, go to shapes, and search for the square shape. So once the square shape pops up, we'll be taking this first one. Alright, we don't want this color, so we are going to be changing the color to white, and reduce the size. Okay, yeah, something like that. So we've reduced the size of, you can still, if you want to reduce it more, okay, Alright, let me just leave it here. So let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, so the size is being reduced. Next up is our next shape, which is also going to be square. Yes, so click on elements, or instead of doing that, just copy this square that is here already, copy it and change the color code. Click on color, click on the plus sign and type the color code. The color code is in your presence, I long to abide, wrapped in your love, where my soul can hide. Draw me closer to your sacred flame. This is the color code. Whisper secrets of my Savior's name. In the stillness, I hear your sweet voice. And finally, this is our Opay logo. Intimacy with the Holy Ghost. In your glory, I'm forever lost. Fill me, guide me. You can as well reduce the size if you want, but this is what we created, the Opay logo. And you can see, as you can see, so to match everything together, click on any of the shapes and click on these three dots that is here. Then click select multiple, then choose as many. Click select multiple, choose as many as you want to select, then click group. Now we can see that our work is being grouped and is movable. You can reduce the size if you want, and you can increase the size if you want, because we group them. This grouping looks too much good. So I'll group it again. Click on select multiple. Come fill my heart, let your glory shine. In your presence, I long to abide, wrapped in your love, where my soul can hide. Draw me closer, and click on to your sacred flame, the ones you want to group. Whisper secrets of my Savior's name. In the stillness, I hear your sweet voice. Let's just download it. Holy Ghost, okay, so this is our Opay logo. Oh, I forgot to remove this one, this sample stuff. I forgot to delete it. Your gentle touch, like a river flows, reviving my spirit, where your love grows. In the secret place, I actually want to delete it, so that's why. So we are left with one. So I'll just click on download and download it. So this is it. Successfully done. Our Opay logo is done. So for the PAY text, you can actually just use your text to write PAY. To write PAY and put the color you love. Alright. Thanks for watching. Share to others that don't know how to design it. Alright.